Good morning and welcome back to our cabin escape. We got here mid-afternoon yesterday and we did a little bit of work once we got here. We didn't film any of it, but we set the stairwell. We got strapping put on the beam, and we built the small wall off that side that will carry some of the weight of the TGI that comes across that section. So today
we are looking at finishing getting all the top plates on. We have a bunch of laminates that we got to get on top of the walls as well, and then it's get some hangers set and get the TGIs into place and start working on the rest of the subfloor. So yeah, another busy day ahead of us.
Yeah. So here we go. And here we have Dave, busy fixing my mistake, where I forgot to take out the measurement for the top and the bottom plate out of the measurements when we cut the boards. So now Dave gets to do it by hand. So here's our recap for the day. So got a lot done, not as much as we hoped. It was kind of a trying day. We had some issues we had to work through and a few trips to town that weren't expected. But so we got all of the LVLs around the stairs all set. We got all of the joist hangers in and several TJIs set. A couple more rows of subfloor all put down. So we have enough to put down one more row and enough for a second row of plywood all cut and ready to set first thing in the morning. So we might actually finish the entire large portion tomorrow morning. So as you noticed in the videos today, we had extra help on site. So our son Joshua was here, as well as Dave's dad was here to help us. So Dave is flying the drone at the moment. And they have just lit a fire, and we are going to get ready to sit down, relax, and have some s'mores. Our friends are going to come over, and we're going to just hang out and relax and have a good time and enjoy the cool night. It's been a very, very warm day.
So here's what we got done this weekend. It's been really windy, so we didn't get a lot of footage. So we've got most of our TGIs and subfloor laid. We do have the beam strapping on the beam. We'll kind of give you a close up on both sides. We've actually got structural Simpson tie anchor screws, 6-inch long, going into that on both sides. So it's really strong. Probably more than what we needed, but it's at least getting done.
I like overkill.
And that, so
was gonna say, we got all of the laminates set around the stairwells. TGI hangers are all in for the front part. Yeah, we just have a short section across the front that we'll do next weekend. And then we can start on walls upstairs next week.
So next weekend we'll finish this up and yeah, upstairs walls get started. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll see you guys next week.
So here's all the strapping on the beam. And on the other side, you can see the Simpson screws possibly there at the top. So we have the Simpson screws anchoring it into the wall itself. Lots of subfloor. More strapping on this end. And more strapping on that side. We have all of our laminates around the stairs. TGI hangers. So this is the only section we have left. We have 4 to go on hangers, 1 at the very end. And then we don't have the hangers on this side. And then we'll have 4 across this little section of the stairs.